Hey there, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to compare PLUS500 and SAXO Bank. The first thing I'm going to talk about is the main disadvantage of one of these brokers that I'm going to show you, and it will be like crazy. Then I will talk about the fees, like what are the CFD fees in SAXO Bank and PLUS500, some inactivity fees, account opening, design of their applications and brokers, like how it feels to use them, and then just like safety. So let's just start. Now, I don't recommend using PLUS500, and this is one of the reasons why I don't recommend it. When you would go to their user agreement, terms and conditions, you're gonna read this. And I'm going to read it for you. And it's like really important for you to know, and we will like talk about it, what it means. The trading you conduct on a trading platform is not conducted on an exchange. We act as a counterparty in transactions conducted on a trading platform, blah blah blah. Act as the buyer when you offer to sell an instrument, and the seller when you offer to buy an instrument. This is really important. Read it again. When you offer to sell an instrument, and the seller when you offer to buy an instrument. The prices we offer on the trading platform might not be the best prices available. So what it means, guys, that you are like investing on an imaginary market in which someone else is creating the rules but not the market. So you're gonna see the price when you want to go sell it, you're gonna see much higher price comparing the reality. And this is something you need to keep in mind. I'm not saying that you shouldn't use PLUS500. I'm just like giving the review of the truth about PLUS500. So this is something you need to keep in mind. And let's continue. Now, when you would compare, they have no trading fee of inactivity fee, but it's like for 3 months you're gonna pay like $10. So if you're gonna use it, you're not going to pay, even in SAXO Bank or PLUS500, any fee at all. If you're gonna see like the CFD fees, let me show you. Of both of these brokers, you're gonna see like, okay, their general low 2.1, 2.2, really similar. Europe 50 is much like smaller on PLUS500 comparing to SAXO Bank. Now then you have like, let me show you, options fees, bond fees, fund fees. You have a forex, and let me show you that. Now you can see like Euro USD 17.9. SAXO Bank is winning on this department. Like forex is much cheaper. Also, what I like about SAXO Bank is like banking background, and you can trade literally everything. Comparing to PLUS500, it's focused mainly on CFD and mainly CFD and forex. So on SAXO Bank you can actually buy like the actually stocks, and but the fees on stocks are high, so I don't recommend it. Also, options are really high on SAXO Bank, so I would recommend going only with the CFD and forex. I wouldn't recommend going with the stocks and options trading in ETF. Oh my god, no. Like the fees are crazy high comparing to interactive brokers like Giro, Trading 212 and others. So this is something you need to keep in mind. Research and how the design looks like. PLUS500 has really good design of applications. That's just my opinion, and I like it. Also, SAXO Bank is alright too, and it's like top notch. So you got really nothing to lose, and I would recommend using that. So yeah, to summarize this whole video, many people are saying that they can withdraw money from PLUS500. When you're gonna earn a lot of money, they are going to stop it from withdrawing. And if you go like to bottom line, you're gonna see right here. At PLUS500, scalping is defined as a trading strategy where a significant portion of the customer positions are open and closed by him with the 2 minutes. If PLUS500 believes you are scalping, your account may be blocked and closed. Are you kidding me? And many people, when you would go, like read the reviews, are saying how PLUS500 scammed them. So I would go with CFD. To summarize this, I always say that, okay, you can choose that, you can choose that. To summarize the whole video, I would go with the SAXO Bank, and I wouldn't touch PLUS500 based on the reviews, based on everything. But you do you. So thank you very much everybody for watching. Have a great day and goodbye.